In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Microsoft PowerPoint in USB. This is a simple process that lets you take your presentation with you, back it up, or share it on another computer without needing internet access. First, insert your USB drive into the computer. Give it a moment to be recognized. On most Windows PCs, you'll see it appear as a removable drive with a letter like E or F. If it doesn't show up right away in the Save window later, wait a few seconds and try again. Next, open your PowerPoint presentation. If you've already been working on it, make sure any recent changes are saved. Now, instead of clicking the regular Save button, go to the File tab in the top left corner and choose Save As. Save updates the current file in its existing location, while Save As lets you choose a new destination. In this case, your USB drive. In the Save As window, select this PC or click Browse to open the full file picker. This view lets you navigate to different locations on your computer. On the left, you'll see a list of folders and drives. Look for your USB drive in that list, often labeled as Removable Disk along with its drive letter. Click it to open the USB's contents. If you keep your USB organized with folders, you can open the appropriate folder here. Now enter a clear, descriptive file name so you can easily recognize your presentation later. In the Save as Type menu, choose the format you want. The recommended choice is TPTX, which is the modern PowerPoint format. It keeps your slides, animations, and most features intact and is compatible with current versions of PowerPoint. Once you've set the name and format and confirmed you're saving to the USB drive, click Save. If your presentation is large or contains media like videos, it may take a moment to finish. Avoid removing the USB while the save is in progress. If you see a prompt about file size or available space, you may need to clear space on the drive or compress large media files in your presentation. After the save completes, safely eject the USB drive. On Windows, look for the Safely Remove Hardware icon near the clock on the taskbar. Click it, choose your USB drive, and wait for the confirmation that it's safe to remove. Then, physically unplug the USB from your computer. This helps prevent file corruption and ensures your presentation is ready to go wherever you need it.